In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an admin API access token in Shopify, which is an essential part of integrating apps and customizing your store's functionality. This process might sound technical, but rest assured, I'll guide you through it step by step, making it straightforward and easy to understand. First, let's begin by heading over to the Shopify admin panel. You can start by opening your preferred web browser and going to your Shopify store's homepage. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option that says Settings. You can usually find this at the bottom left corner of your screen, so go ahead and click it. This will open up a new menu where you'll find a variety of options to customize and tweak various aspects of your store. Now, within the Settings menu, locate the Apps and Sales Channels option. This section is crucial as it's where you manage the different apps that integrate with your Shopify store to boost functionality and sales. Once you've found it, click on Apps and Sales Channels. Here, you'll see a list of all the apps you currently have integrated. Next, to start the development process for a custom app or to further develop an existing one, click on Develop Apps. This option is specifically designed for those looking to create or manage custom apps that can enhance the store's capabilities. It's a gateway to adapting your store's interface and creating better customer experiences. Moving on from here, you should see an option that says Additional Access Available. Click on that. This link is important because it leads you to the access settings where you can generate a brand new API token. It's here that you'll define the permissions and access levels for your app, allowing it to interact securely with your store's data. As you proceed through these steps, remember that having the admin API access token empowers you to customize the store further, facilitating more seamless integrations and automations that streamline your operations. It's essential for anyone looking to develop sophisticated Shopify apps tailored specifically to their business needs. Keep in mind that handling API access tokens requires careful management to ensure your store's data remains secure. Never share this token openly or use it in any unsecured environment. With this guide, you now have the foundation required to acquire the admin API access token for Shopify, opening the door to countless possibilities in customizing and enhancing your online store. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more content and updates on how to make the most out of Shopify and other relevant platforms. Happy developing!